practice making blooming onions with this small onion. Okay, we're going to cut this end off. Okay, we got this end. Try to take the paper off if you can. Now, I've already washed it like that. So, as soon as I get the paper off, I'll wash it again. Now, after you cut your blooming onions, soak it in water for 1 hour before you put your seasoning or anything on it. But I want to try to cut it like a blooming onion. Okay, let me go wash this and my knife. Okay, and my hands is clean. So let's go in and try to do this. I hope I can do it. Okay, now let's try this. That's how, if you soak it in water after you cut it, it'll open up better for you. Have you ever tried to make blooming onions? I hope I'm doing it right. But I got a whole 10-pound bag I can try it on until I get it right. Looks like I've got it. Now I'm going to soak mine in for 1 hour and see if it works or not by opening it up better. Now, all you need to do is have for your blooming onion recipe, you'll need 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 eggs beaten, 1/2 cup of flour, paprika, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 1/2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Place onion in its coating. Make sure every petal is coated with egg wash. Then place the onion in the dry ingredients. And then place it in the freezer for 10 minutes. and then fry it at 375 for 5 to 7 minutes. Allow it to drain. Put paper towels all over it. Allow it to drain on paper towels and cover the top and the bottom. That way it gets the grease off. And then you're going to make a dipping sauce. Sour cream, salt, pepper, paprika, mayo, Worcester sauce, and ketchup. Mix that all together. And this is how you cut a blooming onion. Thanks for watching. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Bye.